AlgoBox Volume Profiler, your essential tool for tracking trading volume across price levels. Easily identify key support and resistance zones to enhance your trading strategy. The Volume Profiler highlights two critical zones: the cave, a low-volume area that signals potential reversals or entry points; the node, a high-volume area often used as a target zone. The Volume Profiler starts analyzing data from a specific point on your chart, indicated by a blue marker. This ensures you know exactly where the analysis begins and how it evolves over time. Customize how frequently the Volume Profiler updates. Tailor the Volume Profiler to match your preferences. Adjust bar colors for buy, sell, and neutral volumes. Modify transparency and spacing for clearer visualization. With AlgoBox Volume Profiler, you gain clear insights into market activity at every price level. Identify opportunities, manage risk, and trade smarter. See you in the next video.